How to replace the black screen problem. It's on some of the Toyotas made by Denso. This circuit board will fix it. If you can't open the radio, what you do is you want to hold the open button, and then you don't even have to take the radio out. You remove this screw. I can't see what I'm doing. You remove this screw right here, this black one, and this black one right here. Here you remove those two screws. You just want to pop this screwdriver in here and just kind of loosen this up, and then you want to close this. You want to hit close so you can close that thing and have space to work with. You want to flip the screen just a little bit. Be careful. Get a screwdriver, long one, and you're going to want to, here, I'll try and get this thing in here so you can actually see it. So it's this right here that you want to pull forward. I'll show it to you in a minute after I take it off. Just a little bit on that side, a little bit on that side. And it's out. There we go, I'll show you. See, that's the way it is, and to pull it out, you just want to just pull a little bit out on that side, a little bit on that side. Comes right out. So you're going to want to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws from this thing. Some of them are a little bit different, depends on the model. After you get those 4 screws out, you just want to put your fingers in here, kind of just like loosen it up. Be careful because there's a ribbon cable right here. You don't want to mess that up. Just take it off slowly, and you want to pull this up. Get my hands out of the way so you guys can see. Be careful, do not break this ribbon cable. And then to replace this board, you want to just take this out right here, this plug, this, and that. And 4 screws. Replace the board. That's pretty much to it. Now I'll just reassemble it really quick. So to put this thing in, it's a little pain in the butt, but I got used to it. You just kind of shove her in. Make sure she's all the way in. Close it. Voila. Get your 4 screws back. Earlier, the reason why I said to make sure you push this back in so you have room to work when you put this back in. So you just put the ribbon cable back in. Once you get her in, turn the power off. Once you get the ribbon cable in, just push her, shut her, close. It's a little bit easier if I do it this way. There we go. Now she's back in. You just want to push on this part right here and make sure she's evenly in. After that, you just put these 2 sides in. Now, you just open her up, put these 2 screws back in. Oh yeah, you have to put that little metal bracket on. This right here doesn't have it, so I'm not going to put it on. It has like these little metal clips usually. And now close it, and it should stay in. Sometimes she'll pop back out. If that happens, look right here at these little brackets on how it goes in. You just gotta mess around right there, take it out, put it back in, and it should work. Thank you. Any other questions, send me a message.